Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the AutoCut feature in CapCut PC. So for instance, if your background has like objects and it's not a plain background, it's not like a green screen, go to remove background and just select auto removal, or you can even select the custom removal to be more precise. You can use the eraser for it and stuff like that. But if your video or photo is like on top of like a green screen like this, you can use the chroma key, select the color picker and select the green area. You can adjust the intensity a little bit here, and you can even add in shadow. I'm just going to go to mask real quick and only select the part of the background that I removed, and you can add in your own background and stuff like that, placing it up here and adding a photo underneath. And that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.